absolutely disgrace. Absolutely shite. We conceded 2 goals against Richards Bay and we failed to score against Richards Bay. No disrespect to them, but they only averaged less than 1 goal a game. And guess what? They scored 2 against us. There was no need to start Sibongiseni Mchechwa in this match, because Richards Bay were never going to trouble us in the middle of the park. And he's just returned from injury. So he wasn't going to give you a full 90 or something close to that. He takes off Sibongiseni Mchechwa. He brings in Edson Castillo, who has over 20 weeks without playing. No match fitness. He plays him ahead of Nkosingphile Ngcobo, who has been studying recently and doing well. Where's the consistency in the team? Why don't we reward good performances? For that first goal, Taba wins a header in between 4 of our defenders. 4. The second goal was offside. It was a clear offside. Get that linesman some glasses. That was a clear offside. But then I don't want to dwell too much on that one, because I am sick of PSL refereeing. It happens every week. We've now conceded 26 goals in 22 games. Horrible. The third most goals conceded in the league. More than the likes of Magesi, Richards Bay, Chippa United. But we had 75% ball position. We are improved. Shut up! Get out! Mate, I'd rather have 26% ball position and have 2 goals. Don't tell me about ball position. 74 ball position with only one chance, only one real chance. That header from Ashley Dupree in the first half. Just moving the ball around for fun, for vibes. We are sitting with one side of the bum in the top 8, with 8 games remaining. Golden Arrows, TS Galaxy, Chippa United, Marumo Gallants, Orlando Pirates, Sekhukhune United, Polokwane City, all those teams are better than Richards Bay on paper. So we might not even make the top 8. It's a shame. We'll return to action on the 29th of March. Maybe this international break came at the right time. I think we need this time, man. We need this time to decide what we want as a team. But anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back for more.